Will your Ripple, XRP, and Bitcoin go higher or lower in the next few weeks? That is what we are going to speak about in today's video. Now, this is a chart of your XRP and Bitcoin as well. We are going to take a look at both cryptocurrencies in today's video. So make sure you watch all the way through and I will let you know exactly what I think will happen in the next few weeks. Now, before I tell you what I think will happen, I want to hear from all of you. Leave your comments down below. Do you think we're going to go down? Do you think we're going to go up? I want to hear from all of you. But before we speak about Ripple, XRP, and Bitcoin, make sure you get one or two of these decent hardware wallets to keep your cryptocurrency safe. This holds Bitcoin, XRP, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies. It uses your thumbprint to get in, and it has multiple seed phrases to keep your crypto safe. Now, this also has a much bigger screen. than a nano ledger, and it has multiple buttons so you can actually know what you're doing. It connects to your iPhone and Android, so it's much easier to use as well. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you get the 2-pack using the links down below. But anyways, let us speak about XRP and whether or not I believe we're going to go down in the short term. Because if we zoom in, and this is a weekly chart, so you can follow along if you want to. If we zoom in and see right here where we are right now, yes, the RSI is extremely low. So every time the RSI is this low, it usually means that we're going to go back up again eventually. And the MACD is also all the way down here. So eventually it's going to start going back up again. But it's going to take some time. So for example, if we take a look at the MACD indicator all the way down here, back in 2018 when we hit the bottom, a lot of people thought that we hit the bottom down here. The MACD basically started reversing, right? It started going positive, just like what's happening right now with the MACD. It's starting to go green again. But for example, back here in 2018, it took us a few months for the MACD to start going all the way up. Actually, it took us a few years, and the RSI just kept fluctuating. So the MACD first started reversing right here in September of 2018. The price of XRP went up a little bit, and then it just kept going down, and it kept going sideways for a few more years until we found our true bottom in 2020. And the RSI was relatively oversold as well for a really long time. So yes, I know XRP is very oversold right now. Like it's been coming down a lot this year, and the RSI is extremely oversold and the MACD is negative, but it's going to take some time for your XRP to find a bottom. So for example, the MACD is going to take a few months at least to go back up to positive, and the RSI can keep fluctuating for a few more months. So the price of XRP will basically keep going down like this, go sideways a little bit, go up a little bit, go down, but then it's going to go up eventually. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin, it's basically showing us the exact same thing. Yes, the RSI is extremely oversold right here. We're basically at 30, and the MACD is all the way down here negative, and it's starting to go up again towards positivity, but, big buts, okay? It's going to take some time. So like, for example, back here in 2018, when a lot of people thought that we hit the bottom, it took us a few months for us to truly hit our bottom. And the RSI was oversold, yes, but we got even more oversold. So even though Bitcoin right now is very oversold, ask yourself, was the Russia-Ukraine invasion taking place in 2018? No. Was a possible Chinese invasion of Taiwan taking place in 2018? No. Were central banks around the world raising interest rates and tightening up money supplies in 2018? No. Was there COVID in 2018? No. So that is why I believe in many ways, even though we are extremely oversold right now, we can still see the prices of Bitcoin and XRP and the whole overall cryptocurrency market go down in the next few weeks and months. Now, this is not financial advice. That's just what I believe. And this is a DXY Index. Basically, it shows you the value of the dollar. And every time the dollar goes up in value, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies come crashing down, because the more valuable that the dollar becomes, the more the reason why investors will park their dollars into dollars instead of cryptocurrency. So I believe that we can go up a little bit more for the dollar index before we hit a local top right here, basically, which we hit in 2001, which happened right before the 2000 bubble crash. So that's very ironic, okay? So we can go up in value for the dollar and then start coming back down. And now that's when I believe that we will see the true bottom of cryptocurrency. And it might take a few months, yes. Also, the United States has officially entered into a recession, and cryptocurrency has never been in a true recession. Like Bitcoin, XRP, none of your cryptocurrencies were ever in a true recession, because the last true recession we had was in 2008. What we saw in 2000 with the coronavirus lockdown, that was basically an artificial recession, and we pumped the economy back up by printing trillions of dollars. So that was not a true recession. So that is why I believe in the short term, your cryptocurrency can keep going down, even though 2022 has been extremely bloody so far. We have gone down so much, but we can go down a little bit more. So let me know what you think about your Bitcoin and XRP. Do you think we're going to come down more? Do you think we already found the bottom? And tell me why. I don't want to hear just, oh, I think we're going to go down or up, but without telling me why. I told you why I believe what I believe, so I want to hear from all of you as well. And do not forget to get 1 or 2 of these decent hardware wallets to keep your crypto safe. All the links will be down below, so what are you waiting for? Leave your comments and pick 1 up or 2 of this decent hardware wallets. But that is all I have today for your XRP and Bitcoin. I hope this video made sense. I hope I explained to you why I believe what I believe. And again, please, I want to hear from all of you. This is a two-way street. We learn from each other, okay? So leave your comments down below, and I will see every single one of you very, very soon. Y'all know what it is. Until next time, Mr. Mufleh, out.